Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for UI/UX design. Figma is a fantastic, cloud-based platform that has revolutionized how designers create user interfaces and experiences. It allows for seamless, real-time collaboration, meaning your entire team can work together on a single file, seeing changes instantly. This powerful tool provides everything you need for wireframing, prototyping, and crafting beautiful, high-fidelity designs, all accessible directly through your web browser without any software installation. It truly simplifies the design workflow for everyone involved. For user interface design, Figma offers several essential features. Start by using frames to define your design canvases, whether you are designing for a mobile phone, a tablet, or a desktop screen. Next, create reusable components for elements like buttons or input fields. This ensures consistency and efficiency across your project. Auto layout is a game changer, allowing your designs to automatically adjust to content changes. Finally, apply styles for consistent colors and typography, maintaining a cohesive visual language throughout your entire design system. When focusing on user experience design, Figma provides robust tools to bring your ideas to life. You can build interactive prototypes that simulate how users will navigate through your product, allowing for early testing and validation. Smart Animate helps create incredibly smooth transitions and engaging micro-interactions, enhancing the overall user journey. Sharing your designs with stakeholders is straightforward, facilitating valuable feedback loops. By observing user interactions within these prototypes, you can identify areas for improvement, ensuring a truly user-centered design process. To maximize your efficiency in Figma, adopt a few best practices. Always organize your files and pages clearly. A well-structured project is easier to navigate for everyone. Consistently name your layers and components to ensure clarity and improve collaboration with your team members. Explore the vast array of plugins available to extend Figma's functionality, automating tasks and speeding up your workflow. Finally, remember to regularly save versions of your work. This allows you to track your progress and easily revert to previous iterations if needed, ensuring a smooth design process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.